so I'm going to try and get the oil drain done. Maybe we'll do the oil feed too, since all I got to do is just shorten that. Since that's right here, just a little long. So I'll flip the camera around here, and then I can point some fingers, and we can do what I'm going to do. All right. But yeah, so oil drain will be in between there, obviously, and we got to get it down to there. So we'll probably do like a 45, and then we'll just kind of see how we end up routing it. I think it's going to end up coming around, run around right there, and then down. So let's get that made. So let's do that. Alright, so what we're going to end up having to do is reuse these old AN lines I had that were my old drain, obviously. And then I have some new line, and then I have this it's called a fire sleeve. If you like look on eBay and you search like fire sleeve, that's what this is. So it's got like some fiberglass in there, and then it's got the silicone sleeve on it. So it should hopefully hold up a lot better than this junk ever did. I'm sure this stuff works, but that stuff I'm hoping will work better, and it might look better too. So let's get this thing off. We gotta get the AN10 flange that's attached to the turbo. Gotta get that off, and then we can get it slapped onto the other one. And I'll probably start by just putting one of these 45s on. We'll connect it to the oil pan, and then we'll go from there. So let's do that. All right, got it on. So I got that all the way down. I had quite a bit extra, so I just slid it down. Now let's get this on. So let's do that. Alright, so it's on there, connects there, wraps around, it's going down, and there. So I'm thinking I have quite a bit of extra, so I might take it off and cut out like another inch. But because ideally I want it like facing like so, and it's really droopy. So yeah, we'll pull it out, cut another inch out. So let's do that. Alright, so it's on, it goes down, and down. So it looks like it's a pretty continuous thing. Nothing seems too close. I'm kind of wondering if I could sneak like a metal coat hanger in with this sleeve to help make this a lot more rigid. So I'm gonna see if I can find a hanger and then see if I can do that. I don't want to poke a hole through the thing, so that's another thing. I guess the other option, I thought about, you know, doing some sort of support bracket like at least halfway down, which might be the better option. Just like run it from here down to here, just to hold it, so that way it's not moving. Yeah, so let's see what I can come up with. Alright, so there it is. Goes straight down, behind there, and comes out right down there. All along, so it like goes way down, and then whoop. So hopefully that'll do. If it doesn't, I can always bring it around the front. Yeah. There's that. Now, let's see about shortening up this feed line. So let's do that. I just realized I actually can't do it. I mean, I could shorten it, but there's really no point because I have that fancy high temp stuff coming for this as well. So there's really no point, because then I'd have to take off a fitting anyhow. So we're not going to worry about it. But I did reroute it a lot better. There's already, I think it's AN10 that I have slipped over the top of this to protect it, like right down there. So it's already protected pretty well down there. But up here we'll do it on there as well, just to make it look good. Yeah, guys, I mean, that's kind of where we're at. I think might as well. I'm gonna unbolt this rear. Well, I'm gonna try. And see if I can get this rear exhaust manifold pulled off. So let's try and do that. Okay, so we're having a big change of plans here. So I was gonna run that manifold, and it's just being a pain in the ass to get on. I'd rather not deal with it because it's in a blind spot. It's going to be a pain in the ass. So I put the stock log back on. I found another crossover pipe because I have this one, and I'm hopefully going to be selling that to a buddy that has a swapped 3400 with a 4-speed. So I don't want to fuck up that one. So I had an extra one. Well, I cut off the flange, so it's on there. And then I had some of this extra stuff. I got that right there. I just tack welded that on. And if I cut this straight here, it's almost like a straight shot. So that'll be perfect. So that's probably what I'm going to do, guys. I'll run the stock manifold in the back. I don't know if I can get a manifold like that that's facing this way. I have another one of those, but if I put it on this one, it's facing that way, which isn't going to help us. So I guess that's where we're at. I'm going to try and get this thing reasonably close. I just got to get it close, and then we'll probably put a V-band right here. So that'll work for me. So yeah, let's keep going. Alright, so there it is. So those two will match up. I'll probably have to do a little bit more finagling once we get the V-bands, but that's close enough for now. And it goes up in there, up over, and then it's bolted right back there. There's enough clearance for the slave cylinder and all that stuff. It clears the cables. All that stuff's clearing real nicely. So that's pretty nice. Now, so this will be the next one. I've got like this guy. We'll get welded onto there. Now we're down to 1.75, and then we just gotta get this to there. So, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. So, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.